In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can scan a QR code on a Huawei phone. Okay, so it's very simple to do. All you need to do is open up the camera app, and mine is situated on the bottom right hand corner of my screen. If I tap on the camera app, you can see that I have a QR code, but if I put my camera over the code, it's not going to scan. What I need to do is tap on that little lens icon at the top left. And you need to make sure you're on the code scanner. It's this icon right here on the middle of the screen. And then you just want to position the code in that box. And that's going to scan the code and take me directly to that location that the code is set up with. In this case, it's my Instagram page, so it took me directly to my Instagram page. So this is great for businesses if you have one and you want people to be able to go to your page very quickly by scanning your QR code. So that is how you scan a QR code on a Huawei phone. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.